In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your website in GoDaddy. Backing up your site is one of the simplest ways to protect your content and design. So if something goes wrong, you can roll back quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy. In the results, click the official GoDaddy website. Once the homepage loads, sign into your account using your secure login details. Make sure you're on the legitimate GoDaddy domain before entering anything, and complete any verification prompts if they appear. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon, which may show your initials. Click that to open the account menu. From the drop-down, choose Products or My Products to view a list of everything tied to your account. This is where you'll see your domains, hosting, and website tools. Find the website you want to protect and click it to open its management area or editor. If you manage multiple sites, double-check that you're selecting the correct one before moving on. Once you're inside the site's dashboard or editor, look for the Settings option. It's usually along the top menu or in a side panel. Click Settings to open the site-wide configuration controls. Within Settings, locate and select Site History. This is the dedicated space where GoDaddy tracks your site's saved states and where backups and restores are managed. It's designed to give you a clear timeline of changes, making it easy to revert if needed. Now click Create Backup. GoDaddy will take a snapshot of your current site, including the structure and content that the website builder manages. Depending on the size of your site and your connection, this can take a moment. While it's working, keep the tab open and avoid making big edits until you see confirmation. When it finishes, the new backup should appear in your site history list with a date and time, so you can easily identify it later. That's all there is to it. You've just created a safety net for your website. A quick tip. It's a great habit to create a backup before major design updates or content overhauls, and again after you finish big changes that you're happy with. If you ever need to restore, you'll come back to this same site history area to select a previous version. To recap the flow, access GoDaddy, log in, go to your products, choose your website, open Settings, go to Site History, and click Create Backup. With this simple routine, you'll keep your site protected and give yourself peace of mind every time you publish.